Welcome everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel OCTANE TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day.
All right, Beavis is going to go ahead and take these C-pillars out, which he already has. So he went and just pulled those open, and there's the clips on the back side. And right now he is trying to get this large tan piece out so that we can get to the rear speakers. It is definitely not easy. Oh, there he goes. He got it out. Gotta get the seatbelt out, but he got that bad boy out pretty quick, man. He's a genius over here. Just letting him do his thing. Then you got to redirect the seatbelt out through the hole. It's got a little crack in there for it, and then you can pull this whole entire piece out of the back. Man, giving Beavis credit today. He's just knocking stuff out like crazy. Look at him go. It must be that ponytail, I bet. Look at him dragging the top. What's up, Boris? little note there. There's a plug there. You want to unplug that. I almost got killed by this thing. So unplug that first before you yank it out. And then here's your two speakers sitting in the back. Looks like two 6.5s. We're gonna go ahead and remove those today. From the bottom, they're not the worst speaker I've ever seen, but they're definitely not the best.
Stubby.
And then it has this long bolt that goes in it. And then basically he's gonna pull that out, but this is what it looks like when it pulls out. It has this long bolt that goes through here, and then these two little legs that go over there. So it just kind of slides in, then locks down. There's your wonderful stock speakers. These are the speaker harnesses that we're going to be using in this car today. 7800 from METRA, and they're going to plug into this harness right here, so that way you don't have to cut anything. All right, so we have this screw down. Sorry about the silver versus black. We used our stingers into here. We usually use plastic ones, but all we have right now is the wood because of the availability. So we can get you some plastic 1/2-inch spacers. We'll put that link down below, or you can use the wood ones, but we prefer to use plastic. And then you'll take your speaker harness right here, and you will plug it into your positive, your negative, and then plug this into the factory plug. It's pretty simple to do, but we want to show you what this will look like, and then we're going to mount it into the back of the rear deck. Here's how we mounted the ring underneath. Go ahead and mount it here, here, and over here. And we just screwed the ring. Once we screwed this to this, we screwed it down underneath here to hold it down into the back deck. All right, we got the rear speakers in. The reason why we don't like using the wood is because it does that. It kind of cracks a little bit, so we'd rather use plastic. See how it did on this one too. This new MDF is just not as nice as it used to be, so I would definitely recommend using the plastic if you get the chance, but we just had to use with what we had for the day.